All right, folks, we are still learning about Vincent van Gogh and his style of painting. We are going to be using oil pastels, and today I want you to practice using oil pastels, and I'm going to give everyone a coloring sheet, and we're going to do a new technique called layering. All right, so Van Gogh liked to use his colors and use them very thick. All right, and he had them layered on top of each other. And this is a quote that he said about one of his paintings. It says, "You can feel the stars and the infinity of the sky since life. In spite of everything, it is like a dream." All right. And in his painting, he really wants you to see the stars shining so bright at night. And you can see the swirls of the stars shining, of the wind blowing. All right. And I want you to notice that there's nothing smooth about this painting at all. This painting is very layered. It's put on very muddy. When I say muddy, it means that you can actually almost see the texture of how thick the paint is. All right. So I'm going to show you this new technique, and I'm going to be looking at this painting as well. And I got a whole bunch of colors to match the night sky, such as green, light green, blue, purple, white, yellow, and I'll probably need black. I'm going to go ahead and put this on a time lapse, and you're going to see how I'm going to layer this. But when I layer it, I'm going to put it, I'm not going to color it like I am going to color like it's a color, like an actual coloring book or a coloring sheet. All right. I printed out this so it can make it easier for you when you are just a simple way and a guide so you can draw it. So what we're going to do is you're going to put layers one by one like this, and you're going to keep on going again and again. And you're going to follow that pattern that Vincent van Gogh had in his Starry Night. So of the wind blowing, of those circles going around in circles, all right? And so I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this like I said, so you can see how this works, and you're going to do one on your own. And I want you to notice when I am layering, these colors are going to go on top of each other too. So when I say layer, you're actually layering these colors on top of each other, all right? And this is sort of a cool new blending technique, all right? When I think of blending, you always think of like smearing and putting them together. But this way of blending is called layering, where they're just on top of each other, all right? And so we're gonna do this to this whole entire drawing. I'm only gonna do a section because I want you to do the rest on your own. And I'll have a picture of Starry Night up so you can see. But again, this is called a layering technique, where just the colors go on top of each other. And if you notice, I am not coloring like a coloring book. They are just little marks, and they're following the trail of this coloring sheet so we can match it to Van Gogh. And don't be afraid to pick and choose those colors. I don't want you to do only two colors in the sky or only do blue in the sky. Let's mix it up. Let's put some black, let's put some purple, let's put some green and yellow. Just like Van Gogh did, he put all sorts of colors in here. You can see those yellows, those greens, those lime greens, those dark blues, light blues. So let's mix it up and let's put all colors in there to see what happens. Remember, this is just a practice one, and I would like to put some up if I can, just to see how they come out. And I really like the way this one's coming out. It looks really cool. I have that cool layering effect, or that technique, and it looks very Like I said, that thick, muddy look. You can actually see the texture. You can see where the wind and the wind and the shine and where it's going. And you're going to color and layer this until almost all the white space is gone. It's okay if you have some white space, but you want to try to get rid of that. I want you to do the rest on your own. I'm going to put a picture up of Van Gogh's Starry Night so you can see how it looks. And I can't wait to see how all yours turn out.